Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are coming for the first time, I just want to welcome you in this family, and hopefully you will decide to stay for longer and become part of this big happy family. If you are returning, I just want to thank you so much for the loyalty. You are much appreciated. I appreciate your sharing of my videos, the engagement and everything. I really appreciate it so much. Okay, so in today's video I just wanted to sit down and have a chat, or just some sort of a chit chat with everyone, and this one I'm just gonna share things that I wish I had packed when I came to Austria, and things that I'm really missing. I feel like, okay, so it was part of my day-to-day life and now it's really missing, and things that I always pack when I go anywhere, and things that are out of the ordinary. Maybe not out of the ordinary, but things that I always pack when I travel, and I did pack when I came to Austria this time around. So yeah, let's sit down, grab your coffee, grab your whatever. I have my tea with me. I'm gonna have tea and whatever it is that makes you feel comfortable, grab that, and then let's just have a chat, guys. Let's have a chat. Oh, another thing is the fact that when this video gets to be released, or by the time this video goes out, we would have started to count down to Christmas. Yes, I'm that extra. So Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas! I hope everyone is excited about the upcoming Christmas, because I definitely am. I'm really excited about everything that's gonna happen. I don't know what it is, but I think it's just the whole idea of Christmas for me is just exciting. Anyway, we're not necessarily much about Christmas, but Merry Christmas if I never get to say it again, which I think I will. But if I never get to say it again, Merry Christmas. Countdown to the 25th of December, the most amazing day, Christmas. Okay, anyway, so two things that I wish I had packed, or rather three things that I wish I had packed when I came to Austria, and I only realized when I arrived here that, oh my gosh, this is actually such a need for me, and I actually didn't realize. So it's can you guess? It's Rajah. I wish I had packed Rajah with me. Someone actually call Rajah and tell them to actually courier Rajah for me. You know, that malt and spice one, because yo guys, I think because I live in the kitchen a lot, I cook a lot and everything. I just wish that I had actually considered buying some of those, because in my head it didn't register that I would come to Austria and not find Rajah, our kind of Rajah, the malt and spice. It slaps different, guys. It literally really slaps different. I don't think we can find it anywhere else in the world. Maybe we could, but right now where I am, I haven't found something that is a replacement of that malt and spice. And also that the pepper one, is it pepper or red box, the one that has garlic inside. I just literally miss having all those. I'm just you could have actually thought of this and packed this, and you are out here just really clowning. I literally feel like a clown for not packing Rajah. The second thing that I wish I had packed, oh my gosh, this one is literally, I'm so touched on the fact that I actually didn't, because I mean, I grew up with this, and somehow I should have known. I literally should have known, but I didn't. I wish I should have packed Sunlight Green Bar. Yeah, cry with me. Cry with me, because I wish that was just one of the things. It was supposed to be common knowledge that you need Sunlight Green Bar in your life. I once saw this one tweet, someone was actually saying something about Sunlight Green Bar, and then the Sunlight account actually responded, and they were yeah, well, Sunlight is the sis she thinks she is. I agree. I fully agree. Sunlight is the sis she thinks she is. She's everything. She's just literally everything anyone needs in their life. I literally I'm just you could have actually known this is common knowledge that, you know what, you need Green Bar in your life. So one thing for sure that I know is the fact that when I go home this time around, I definitely am packing, or rather packing Sunlight Green Bar, because it is definitely a need. I miss that kind of yeah, it's, first of all, it's all purpose. Second of all, it's just like an amazing thing that we grew up with, and then it's like just not expiring or not getting out of date. Like, I don't think anybody has tried to replace sunlight. Someone is probably laughing right now at like the fact that I'm actually making such a fuss about sunlight, but it is what it is. I really do wish I had packed that. The third thing is Rooibos. So wow, guys, I don't know how I actually missed this. Like so I mean, I think we have the kind of the best version of Rooibos. Every other part of the world does try to emulate what we have as Rooibos, but then they never get it right. Like the aroma, have you actually had that the Trekker one, like the Trekker Rooibos that actually, like, it smells like it's very much aromatic. Like everything about it is just like so on point. When you mix that with like lemon and your, what's this, and honey, it's just, it literally slaps different. It actually, I have so many memories with like just Rooibos in general, and I wish I should have packed that when I came this side. But yeah, laugh with me or laugh at me because I didn't. But then, I mean, I know now, I know better now. So yeah, okay, so yeah, moving along. Things that are actually like out of the ordinary that I always pack, and I actually didn't go wrong even this time, is packing my hair pieces. So yeah, I actually do my own hair when I'm actually like away. So I did this hair, like, your girl, I did this fox locks myself. So yeah, I generally just always never miss buying like hair pieces. I pack them, like, so my bag can be full of like just, or like a bigger part of my bag has like hair pieces, because I would actually sort of consider myself a light traveler, but like a light traveler who actually has okay, let me stop this because it's not gonna work. Anyway, I always pack hair pieces because it becomes really hard when you're traveling or when you're like in a new city or in a new place to actually like locate salons and know where exactly to do your hair. Also, I have like trust issues with my hair, so it's like, okay, I can't just like start right away and go to a salon. I don't know, I haven't made like relationships with the place, and then I don't know if they're gonna actually like just mess my hair up. And yeah, I'm very sensitive with that. So I think when I started well, being in Mexico for like a long time, I ended up just as like packing my own hair pieces and doing my own hair. So yeah, I've been like really DIYing the whole time. If you guys are interested in me sharing like a video of how I do it, I'll actually just like attach a snippet here and tell me or let me know if I can actually like share that, if that is something that is interesting to some people, how to do like fox locks and everything. Is it fox locks or four locks? Whatever. So like what I normally do is like actually this video is not about hair, but like anyway, so what I normally do is like plait braids and have them for like a month or 3 weeks or so, and then later on have like, or like on top of like braids, I just renew them and make them like fox locks and stuff. So I have like another month or so to actually last with like my hair the way it is. So like this is the very same thing I did, like oof, with this one. So yeah, so this is the very same thing that I did with this hair. It's just like, okay, like as you can see, these are like fox locks, and then I had like braids at first and then lasted them for like I think a month or so. Then after a month I actually put this on. I'm actually like prolonging this anyway. Yeah, so apart from the hair, I always pack, like I used to always pack, or rather even this time around when I came, I packed like your Jabberstone hairspray, because I know that I'm not gonna find that anywhere. So basically like hair products, I don't have like a crazy amount of like hair products, but then like the key one is like your Jabberstone that I always pack with me. And because I know that I'm not gonna find Jabberstone around the world, I just make sure that I have that, like it is a must-have in my bag. And another one is Portia M product, so I used to use that for my skin. Well, when I got to Austria now, my skin struggled a lot with Portia M, so I sort of had to change and like try something else, because I was like, my skin was really struggling, and I was like, okay, this is not happening. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically what I used to have, and or rather what I always have in my bag when traveling. And so yeah guys, this is like the things that I wish I had packed with me, and things that I have packed, and just let me know which ones stand out for you. And if you were to travel, and when you travel, which one is like a must-have in your bag. I'm actually interested in like the weird things or the interesting things that people always have in their bags as must-haves. I mean, we always have clothes and other things, that's a given, but then there's like those things that are like really interesting for other people to actually have in their bag, and if they don't, they feel incomplete, or they feel like their travel experience is gonna be different. So yeah, I'm actually interested. Please let me know on the comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Let's become one big happy family. I love you so much. Cheers guys.